Alrighty guys, back out here at this 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Y'all see that? Yes, the key just came in, guys. It was towed here. There's nobody on this side of the country can fix this car other than JT the car guy. You know why? This two right here, guys. Now here's the deal. I'm getting ready to program a key. He had a locksmith over and they cut a key and tried to program it and they couldn't get it going, so they're here. Now here's what I'm gonna do, guys, because we had a rash of keys acting funny. You notice this not cut. So what I'm gonna do is put this in here. That's why I took the ignition apart. I wanted to get the ignition set to run because I need run for my scan tool to power up. So what I'm gonna do now, since I'm in the run position, is take this out and put this in and try to program this key. If the programming worked, then I'm gonna go cut it and then he'll be good to go. But for now, let me this thing is dead too, so let me put my jump box on and go through the motion of programming the key, and we're gonna see if this trick worked, man. Y'all stay tuned. Hey, what y'all know about that? The 4-liter inline 6-cylinder, guys. Yes, I used to work on these things constantly. All right, now they held up. What I mean by work on them, like this was the flagship engine back in the day. Oh, look at all of this, what they got going on here. All right, that's not my problem. Only thing I want to do is jump this thing off, so I'll give it some power supply so I can try and program a key. Got my new jump box here, guys. Yes, I missed my Mopar no car jump box. In fact, I'm gonna get me another one. Anyway, let's try this, guys. We in. All right, so what we want to do is go to 9 miscellaneous, then we're gonna go to program ignition keys number 3. Now what that's gonna do is likely put a new key in. Yes, I got a new key in. Y'all see that's the key that I haven't even cut yet. I just want to see if it take a program. Click enter. Pin. I got my pin right here. The only way you can get that is go to a Dodge parts department. What is it? 37. Enter once pin. All right, enter. What happened? Is this pin correct? Absolutely. Enter. Are you sure? Hell yeah, I'm sure. Enter. All right, here we go. Here goes nothing. Here we go. Oh no. It's not a used key. See, that's why I didn't cut it, guys. So you know what this guy need now? A SKIM module. Here's where the key cutting place he say he used. They came out, they couldn't get it to program. That is one reason why I didn't cut this key. So now technically this key is still new. I can put it back in the parts department if you don't want to do it. But for now, it's not taking a program because his RKE module is failed. All right, every time I see this, it's because of the RKE. Possibly used key. It's not a used key, it's a brand new key. All right, we had to order this. So that's where we stand right now. Now I got to go see if he wants a RKE module. So that key company that came out to his place to do this probably could have succeeded if the SKIM module was working properly, but it's not. All right, it's likely dead. I mean, it's an 04. Who knows? All right, this car needs to be diagnosed properly. So he might have to spend some diagnosing money to figure out what's wrong with this thing. I know he had it towed here, but that's where we at right now, man. Y'all stay tuned. I'll keep y'all up to date. Now, y'all remember the old model 2004? Okay, remember I went out there with my DRB trying to program a key, and it wouldn't take a program, and I said it needed a SKIM module. All right, here we go. Here goes nothing. Here we go. Oh, no. It's not a used key. See, that's why I didn't cut it, guys. So you know what this guy need now? A SKIM module. There's a 99% chance it needs a SKIM module. It's that 1% that's bothering me. Customer asks, are you sure? So now I'm really worried. I am in my bag. These are all old SKIM module and keys that I use to cut my diag time in half. Y'all know what that means? I know I have a, oh, this look like it right here. Let's go out to the car. What I'm gonna do is put this in the place of the existing SKIM module, and here's the key that go to the SKIM module and see if it starts. Yeah, that 1% is bothering me. Okay, now here's how I'm about to find out if I'm 100% sure. Okay, yes, it's the existing SKIM module and the key is still right here on the floor. So what I'm gonna do is plug this in right here. You know what, I need to jump this thing off first. Let me put some battery power to it. I got my jump box hooked up to it, so like I say, I'm gonna unplug the existing SKIM module and simply plug my spare testing SKIM module in. All right, now I need the key. Where's my key? Right here. That go to this SKIM. This key is married, the chip in this key is married to this SKIM module. So what I need to do is set this right here. Well, actually I need to turn the ignition switch. So let me get over here. So what I'm gonna do is set this in here. Remember guys, we're dealing with tumblers, so you don't have to go all the way in. So now all I have to do is put this in here and see what happens. I got the key in there. Let me hover this SKIM module over this. Now if it starts, if it cranks, that's 100% assurance that your problem is the SKIM module. Let's see what happens. Yes! Now notice it died, guys. It died because the SKIM module is not programmed to the PCM. The key chip matched the chip inside the SKIM module, okay? So what we need to do is, I need a SKIM module. Now, if the SKIM module, let's say, is discontinued, you can't get another one, you can use a used SKIM module. Inside of this SKIM module is a VIN that this car was married to. I can use my scan tool and go access that VIN and then go get a SKIM code to program this. From that point, I would just simply have to tell the SKIM module that I stuck a new PCM in this thing. I might be talking too much, but at any rate, I'm 100% sure now that I need a new SKIM module. Now we just got to hope that they're available. They're not discontinued. All right, that's all I needed to, guys, to clear my mind. All right, I just cut an hour diag time down to, 30 seconds, simply because we don't have no literature on this year model, so I didn't want to go digging up trying to do the proper diagnosis, man. Just keep your spare parts. Keep your parts that's still good. That way you can cut down on your dag time. All right, I got to go, man.